Looking at the pictures I keep on my shelf, 'cause it's been so long since